Today is 16 March 2026, and in this video I will share a fresh USDJPY market signal analysis using my structured trend strategy. This analysis is based on Ichimoku H4 trend confirmation, Renko momentum confirmation, moving average trend direction, and dynamic liquidity zones. So let's go straight into the chart. The pair we are analyzing today is USDJPY on H1 timeframe. On the higher timeframe scanner, we can clearly see that USDJPY is still inside the green Ichimoku buy zone on H4. This confirms that the overall market direction is still bullish. Also on the chart structure, green moving average 50 is still above red moving average 200. Price structure is forming higher highs. Renko blocks are still building upward momentum. This confirms that the main trend is still buy trend. However, price has reached a strong monthly resistance zone near 159.40, 159.60. After this strong bullish expansion, we are now seeing small bearish candles forming. This shows that the market is currently in a healthy pullback phase inside the uptrend. According to my strategy, this is not a fresh buy entry zone. This is a trade management and re-entry preparation zone. Based on structure probability, market may retrace toward dynamic support zones before continuing the bullish trend. Key support retracement zones are 158.30 area, MA50 dynamic support, 158.10 liquidity imbalance zone. If price holds above these zones and Renko forms fresh white continuation blocks, then we can expect a strong bullish continuation toward take profit target 1, 159.90, take profit target 2, 160.40. Buy limit entry zone, 158.30, 158.10. Stop loss, 157.60. Below structural support and MA trend protection. Take profit targets, TP1, 159.90, TP2, 160.40. This setup aligns with trend continuation strategy, liquidity retracement entry, and Renko momentum confirmation. If you already have earlier buy trades running, close first partial entries, move remaining stop loss around MA50 dynamic support. Let trend continue until MA50 crosses below MA200. This will signal the final trend exit. This is a structured trend-following signal, not emotional trading. Always wait for confirmation, manage your risk, and trade with market structure. For more daily signals and strategy, education, visit my social media using the link in description. See you in the next signal video.